What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Bowling Green, Kentucky. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the NMRA World Finals. This is actually day 2. Yesterday was Friday. They did all the test and tune and all that stuff. Today is qualifying and all of that, and then Sunday is eliminations. But for today, it's actually a hell of a lot more busy. We got the car show over here, which we're fixing to check out, and the manufacturer's Midway. We're going to be looking for some parts. So, yeah, it's going to be crazy. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are trying to make our way through the swap meet and the car show area, and it is just insane. Okay, what'd you find?
So Jay Meisner with that 62.6.
You want a Mach 1?
Number 112.
Yeah? So you're already talking about trading your car in. What are you wanting now?
Mike Zaborowski with that 863 and the number 2 spot.
Well, there's a lot of stuff here to look
I know.
at. So
I want all of them.
I think we need to get busy. Oh, and I see right there, there is Will Cooper's car. Will, if you're watching, shout out to Will. All right, so let's get back to it. You know, you never know who you're gonna see when you're walking around here. Okay, no, it wasn't an accident. Dude, we got a shifter. And then we got, this is clean, dude. There's like no rips.
Bead locks, we got bead locks.
Bead locks, front nose, 85 GT front.
Nice. So
Black coupe seats.
So Corey's actually gonna start on the other 4i.
Got the 79.
We got him on camera right here. He's gonna do it.
79 coupe. It's going in.
Yep, it's gonna be awesome. Did you bring my shifter handle? You didn't bring it, did you?
No.
God.
Look.
Yeah, I saw that, but I want that white one you showed me. You got it? Okay.
I don't have it with me.
Okay.
It's yours. Going in.
All right, so we're gonna keep rolling. Are you done buying parts or more parts?
I'm out of money, so I guess.
Well, if you need, just holler. We got you.
I know a guy. Huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, they got an ATM down there somewhere.
Yeah, might have to open that up. Okay, we got a flat tire. Look, Corey is driving the golf cart. It's got a flat tire, and he doesn't care. So, hey, it's all right, right? You get where you're going. Yeah, I know, right? There's that turbo S550. Car show popping off for real. Ah, this is gonna be a good day.
Every NMRA event begins with a luxury content. The Village Trend of Parts will operate performance products. UPR has what you need at your price. You can also find UPR products on the web at uprproducts.com. Coming back down, that is Bert Johnson from the Total Concept. Dodging that track.
You love this, right?
No.
You don't like this? A supercharged 5-liter Saleen Explorer?
No.
It's ridiculous. But got some Fox bodies hanging out in the show. Yeah, we're hot. Yeah, it's been a busy day. How do you feel about this one?
I love it.
You love it? Cool. It's pretty hot, right? Yep. Just a few out here. And then, of course, over here, you've got the giant 4.0 Whipple Terminator. Good God. No shortage of cool things to see.
David Chapp's
Okay,
gonna get
guys,
the
so
win
this has
here.
been an absolutely
From
insane
David
day.
Chapp.
As you can see, as I pan through
Out
the
of that
crowd
left
here,
lane with the win.
there is
Tony
cars
McKinnon
everywhere. I had a
with
chance to
solid
meet
lead.
this
Turn
guy.
that car
Shout out to my bro.
sideways, right about the
But, yeah, as you can see, guys,
one of our starting line
it is
guys
still
running out there.
insane. My legs, my back, my knees, everything is giving out. But this has been awesome. The True Street, the Coyote stock, the factory stock, all the good friends, the car show, everything has just been absolutely insane. I will have a day 3 for you. Stay tuned for that. You will not want to miss it because the action hasn't even, like, we're about midway through the action. We got a lot more. So stay tuned. Check out the next upload. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I'm going to go take a nap. Later.